Hello my friends and welcome back. So today we're showing you guys this sonic cleaning a toothbrush. So let's go over a couple features for you guys. It's got double soft brush silk, waterproof, multifunction mode, up to 35,000 vibrations a minute, strong battery, 2-minute intelligent timing, automatic memory function, and portable anti-loss charging wire. So it is portable. So it's great for vacations, hiking, camping, and all that fun stuff, or just for home. Let's go ahead and show you guys what is inside the box. Alright, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 head brushes. And then you got a brush already on the device. So for these brushes, you just pop them off and then you'll slowly turn it and put it back on. So it makes it simple. They give you a manual. Let's see here. Let's see where the charging port is. All right, so the charging cable and everything is actually underneath it. Wow, that's actually the first time I've seen this. So you just plug this into a USB port and it charges. Very simple. So if we go and plug this into a port over here that we have, so when it's charging, a blue light blinks on the battery indicator to let you know that it is charging. So that's pretty awesome. And then you just simply fold the cable back up. Oh no, let's see here. Oh no, you just push the cable in. There's a little slot that holds it. And then you put this back in and you twist it back on. One thing I will give you guys a caution on something like this. When the wires is getting bent, as you guys can see, this wire is kind of, for some reason the plastic is kind of like, I don't know how to say, kind of not spliced, but it's getting close. And then over here, if you guys probably can't see it, the wire is actually splitting a little bit. And you can see the inner wire, the inner line. So that's the downfall of something like this. And you know, as I look down inside there, it looks like the wire splitting down inside. And what I mean by that is inside this white line, there are wires that are coated with plastic, and then in those wires are the either copper or other metal wires for the power. So even though, you know, if this line does, you can see the color inside, they're still protected by plastic, but over time, I mean, that could become an issue. So that's probably the biggest downfall of this, and probably why I've never seen a company make one like that before, because of the wire being pinched and pulled every time you're charging it. So let's go over to the device. So you got clean, white, polish, soft, massage, care, and then off. And you just press it to turn it on. So you have multiple different modes.